In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable one-tap pause on Instagram videos. So whenever you're playing the Instagram videos, if you want your videos to be paused when you tap on it, it is actually very simple. There is no separate settings that you need to enable. All you have to do is simply update your Instagram application. The latest version of the Instagram allows you to pause the video by simply tapping on it. If you also want to do that, simply update the Instagram by opening the Play Store or App Store. After you do that, tap on the search icon that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. After you do that, search for Instagram, you'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on the option Instagram. Now tap on the update option that you can see on the screen. Now all you have to do is simply wait for Instagram to be updated. Now once the Instagram has been updated, this feature will be automatically enabled for you. Now whenever you tap on the video, it will be paused. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you enable one tap pause on Instagram videos. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.